Good morning everyone. As you all know that in last class we discussed our third part of conjunction, that is correlative conjunction. And today we discuss one more conjunction that is also very important, but that is not included in kinds. Clear? And that conjunction name is compound conjunction. Clear? What is the name of fourth conjunction? Is compound conjunction. It is compound conjunction. Clear? Our fourth part is compound conjunction. Clear? So write down meaning of conjunction. Write down many compound conjunctions. Many compound conjunctions are used in expressions. Many compound conjunctions are used in expressions. Many compound expressions are used in conjunction. Sorry, many compound expressions are used as conjunctions. Are used as conjunctions. These are called compound conjunctions. These are called compound conjunction. These are called compound conjunctions. The main compound conjunctions are the main compound conjunctions are first is in order that, next is as though, next is even if, next is as soon as, next is as soon as, provided that, in as much as, so that, as well as, rather than, etc. These are called compound conjunctions. This is another one conjunctions, that is compound conjunctions. Okay? This is our compound conjunction. Clear? Again listen carefully. What is compound conjunction? Many compound expressions are used as conjunctions. Okay? So many compound expressions, है ना, expressions जो होते हैं उन्हें हम conjunctions की तरह use करते हैं. These are called compound conjunctions. The main compound conjunctions are, listen, these complete our expression in order that, first is in order that, as though, even if, as if, as soon as, in order that, as though, even if, as soon as, provided that, in as much as, so that, as well as. This so that we discuss in correlative conjunction also. Okay? And this so that is come here also. As well as, rather than, etc. Means these all are new conjunctions. These all are new compound conjunctions. Clear? Now we discuss one by one their examples. Okay? How we use these type of conjunctions. Clear? So this is also you write down in your fair notebook. Clear? So write down Write down examples one by one. The passengers got off the train as soon as it landed. As soon as it landed. Clear? The passengers got off the train as soon as it landed. Clear? Next, write down second example. The boss as well as his wife participated in the charity show. Clear? So this way we use as well as, this way we use as soon as. Okay. Next, write down another example. Next is such acts as if she is beautiful. She is very intelligent. Clear? So as if use clear. Now, even if she is very sick, she does not show it. She is very sick, she does not show it. Clear? So this way we use even if. Next, write down next example, write down the notice was put in order that everyone might read it. Clear? She would die rather than beg. Beg. Clear? Now, next, write down he started early so that he could reach the office only. Okay. So that this way we use in compound conjunctions. And another one is our next example is I shall give money provided that you return it next week. Clear? Provided that. Clear? So these are the examples of our compound conjunctions. Clear? These are the examples of our compound conjunctions. Okay? So again listen. Many compound expressions are used as conjunctions. So these are the expressions. Clear? These are the expressions which is used as compound conjunctions. Which are used as compound conjunctions. Clear? Now, write down some exercise I give you. Okay? So, write down very important exercise that you solve cell okay, that exercise you solve self. So open your notebook and write down question number 1. Join the following conjunction, join the following sentences using so as to. Clear? So first sentence is Ram got up early. Ram got up early. He could go for a morning walk. He could go for a morning walk. Okay, next is you all use by joining so as. Okay, next is they play well. They play well, they can win the match. They play well, they can win the match. Third question is I bought a bike. I bought a bike. I might reach school in time. I might reach school in time. Fourth is I am practicing football. I am practicing football. I may play it well. I may play it well. Fifth is Rajendra has bought a computer. Rajendra has bought a computer. Rajendra has bought a computer. He may learn to operate it. He may learn to operate it. Now, these are the 5 questions that you solve by using so as to. Clear? You use so as to. Clear? First question is Ram got up early. He could go for a morning walk. Second is they play well. They can win the match. Third is I bought a bike. I might reach school in time. Fourth, I am practicing football. I may play it well. Rajendra has bought a computer. He may learn to operate it. These are the 5 questions that you solve by using so as to. Clear? Now, another one exercise write down. Write down another one exercise. Wait 1 minute. Yes. Write down exercise Another questions write down. Question is same. Write down. Join the following sentences using either or. Using either or. Okay. So write down questions. First is, you cries can stop him. Can stop him. Your tears can stop him. Your tears can stop him. By using either or. Second is, I drank orange juice there. I drank orange juice there. Orange juice there. I drank orange juice there. I had a cup of tea. I had a cup of tea. I had a cup of tea. Jack can win. My brother can win. Jack can win. My brother can win. Next, he will come today, he will come tomorrow. He will come today, he will come tomorrow. Fifth one, she will read a book, she will go to the cinema. She will read a book. She will go to the cinema. She will read a book. She will go to the cinema. Clear? So, what you do? In this, you use either or. Clear? You cries can stop him. Your tears can, sorry, you not your cries can stop him. Your tears can stop him. Second is, I drank orange juice there. I had a cup of tea. Third one is, Jack can win. My brother can win. He will come today. He will come tomorrow. She will read a book. She will go to the cinema. Okay. So, these are the 5 examples of another. Okay. So, you all do these questions in your fair notebook. Okay. These exercise solve in your fair notebook. Now, next, another write down. More questions write down. Okay. That is, this is question second. Now, question third. Join the sentence by using conjunctions in bracket. Conjunctions in bracket. Bracket conjunctions you use. Okay. So, write down first question. 1 minute. I change. First, the book is very difficult. The book is very difficult. She couldn't read it. She couldn't read it. Conjunction is so that. Clear? Another one is, second one is, he covered his face. He covered his face. He covered his face. He did not want to be caught. He did not want to be caught. It did not want to be caught. Your conjunction is so that. Again. Okay. Third one is he stole my purse. He stole my purse. He stole my purse. He stole my purse. She stole my purse. He and she. She stole my purse. Conjunction is what? Either or. Next is your brother is late. Your brother is late. Your brother is late. Your brother doesn't want to come. Your brother doesn't want to come. Want to come. Your brother doesn't want to come. Either or. Fifth one is he laughed loudly. Fifth one, write down. It got dark. I switched off the light. It got dark. It got dark. I switched on the light. I switched on the light. I switched on the light. Is no sooner than. No sooner than. Clear? So this is another exercise. First question is you all use bracket conjunction and then join in your sentence. Clear? The book is very difficult. She couldn't read it. He covered his face. He did not want to be caught. He stole my purse. She did stole my purse. Either or. Uses either or. Clear? Your brother is late. Your brother doesn't want come. Want to come. Use either or. Next, fifth one is it got dark. I switched on the light. No sooner than. So all three exercise you do in your fair notebook. Clear? And book exercise also you try to solve at home. Clear? So this is your conjunction chapter, and conjunction chapter is over here today. In another class we discuss our new chapter, next chapter. So this conjunction is over. So thank you and have a nice day.